After you perform a search, you may wish to copy your search results to a word processor or another program. BibleWorks gives you the option of copying the search window verse list or the text of verses in the search window verse list. The checkboxes next to each verse in the search window verse list may be unchecked if you do not wish to include them in your copied results. If you wish to copy only one verse from the search results list, click on the verse reference to highlight it, and then click on the Copy button and choose Copy Selected Results List Verse. Choose the location where you wish to copy it, and then paste it into your document. Many of the menu choices under the Copy button have the option to change the preferences for how you wish to format your copied text. Just choose the option for your copied verses by using the Copy Format options accessible below the options for where to copy. Then you can choose the options for your copied verses by using the Output Format options as seen here. Note that there are different output format options for each menu option under the Copy button and for each location where you might wish to copy verses to. These options are also available to you by going to Tools, Options, then Output Format Options, and you'll find different options for the verse list no text, a verse list or range with these various options, and for selected browse text, which governs copying from verses displayed in the browse window. So keep your eye out for which particular option you are setting copy options for.